Hope you all had a nice sleep like me by practicing the moon salutation and yoga nidra last night from the day 3 sleep the magic land video. And here I am ready to drink my 2 glasses of warm water to detox my day from the day 1 of this series. Wait. A new person will get confused on what I am talking here. We are here on the day 4 of our 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023 with me, Ranjani from Aathmik Yoga. So beginners, do watch the previous videos by clicking the link in the description box below and come back here. Let's talk about day 4, empty our water bottle. Let's get started. In the list of inputs that we provide into our system, the next input is water. Our human body is about 60% of water. So knowing about the water is very important. You may think we all drink water, but a statistic says about 90% of the people are drinking water in a wrong way. So here we are going to discuss what's wrong and what's right in drinking water. I'm going to talk about Ushapaan first. Ushapaan, an ayurvedic dinacharya, meaning ayurvedic daily routine. It is said to drink water, about 1 liter of water in empty stomach even before brushing in the Usha Kal. Usha meaning dawn, the time before sunrise. So as soon as you wake up, even before brushing, we need to drink about 1 liter of water. We can gradually increase the quantity of water over a period of time. This water helps in cleansing our internal organs on a daily basis. Ayurveda mentions that many diseases and disorders gets relieved by drinking this Ushapaan on a daily basis. And that is the reason on our day 1 activity, I have asked you all to drink 2 glasses of warm water followed by 10 minutes of yoga. Do follow this regularly for over a period of time to see differences in your skin tone and in your digestion. To give a note, only while you fast or when during the Ushapaan is said to drink water when you do not feel thirsty. All the other times it is mentioned to drink only water if the body needs it. Let's discuss about that. There is a common idea prevailing now to drink 3 liters or 4 liters of water every day, irrespective of your gender, age or your physical condition, the weather or the work you do. It is not ideal to keep the 3 liter or 4 liter numbers. For example, if 2 people are there, one person works in hot sun, say a traffic police, and the other one is in a seated job, do not do much of physical activity inside the 4 walls. Do you think both the people need to drink 3 liters of water every day? There's no hard written rule in drinking water. Drink water as per your body needs, as per your weather condition, as per your physical activity level. Do not drink water just because you need to drink 3 liters of water in a day. So we cannot conclude with the ideal number of liters of water one needs to consume in a day. Just remember to keep yourself hydrated according to your body type and according to your body need. Listen to your body and drink water whenever you feel thirsty. The third important point is food and water. Food, to get digested, it needs Agni, the digestive fire or the acids. When water is added, the acid gets diluted, which will reduce the capacity of the acid to digest the food. So it is better to avoid drinking water or drinking fluids, any beverages along with the food, which will inhibit the digestion of the food, which in turn will create digestion issues in our body. So try to avoid water along with your food in any form. If you feel like drinking water in between, you can sip few ounces of water but do not gulp water. And also restrict gulping of water after finishing your food. Give some space for the food to get processed in your stomach. 30 minutes to 40 minutes is the ideal time to avoid drinking water post consumption of food. Next comes the temperature of water. Drinking room temperature water is good for our internal organs. Consumption of hot or ice cold beverages occasionally will not do any harm. but consuming them regularly on a daily basis will deter the health of our internal organs. So avoid drinking hot and ice cold beverages on a daily basis. Last one is how not to drink water. It is better to drink water in sips. Do not gulp water into your mouth and into your abdominal cavity. Sip water, as we discussed in our art of eating session. Sip water, and also do not drink water when you are standing. So to conclude, first one is Ushapaan, drinking water in empty stomach. Second point is to drink water as per your body needs and according to your thirst cues. Third one is to avoid consuming food and water together. Give a gap of 30 to 40 minutes post food consumption for better digestion. The fourth point is the temperature. Drink water in room temperature. The last point is to sit and sip your water. Do not gulp your water, especially while standing. So for today's activity, on the whole day, whenever you drink water, remember these 5 points and tell me by the end of the day if you are able to follow these 5 points today. That's it for today's video. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post the next video on this Transform 2023 series. Do share this video with your friends and family who might also get benefited by watching this video, because sharing is caring. Also, you can follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. Join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries. The link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Nandri Vanakkam.